Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about the PMP exam questions which can be used as a sample questions and answers for the preparation of PMP exam. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. So question number 1. Which of these types of precedence relationships is least commonly used in the precedence diagramming method? Options are start to start, finish to finish, finish to start, and start to finish. So the answer is D, start to finish. Now why it is the right answer, friend? Basically, start to finish relationships indicate that the next task cannot be completed until the one preceding it has started. This type is not commonly used common. Next question. RACI chart is an example of options are network, flowchart, responsibility assignment matrix, and hierarchical type organizational chart. So friend, what you think? Responsibility assignment matrix. This is the right answer. Why it is the right answer, friend? Basically, RACI chart outlines in matrix form the project task, and for each task who is responsible, who is accountable, who to consult, and whom to inform. Okay. Now next question. If the project's current total earned value EV is $100 K and the actual amount spent AC is 9500 K, what is the variance of the project? The cost variance is 1.05, the cost variance $5,000, the cost variance 0.95, and the cost variance minus 5,000. Here friend, basically you have to use the formula. You must have to remember the cost variance formula. So you know that cost variance is equal to EV minus AC, earned value minus actual cost. So in this case, if you subtract the earned value from the actual cost, so answer is B. So here basically you must have to remember the formula. This is very important. Now the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is basically a contractor is currently constructing a new building for your organization on a cost plus incentive contract. It's a type of contract. You just received the project status report from the contractor project manager. According to the report, the project CPI is 1.5. You are shocked because you believe the project costs are out of control. Upon investigation, you learn the $1 million advance payment, 20% of the estimated project cost given to the contractor at the start of the project was included in the project earned value. Further, the cost of the inventory at the project site was excluded from the total actual cost. According to the contract, your company reimburses only the cost for the completed deliverable and not the supplies in the project inventory. Now in this scenario, the reported project CPI is incorrect because actual cost is understated, earned value is overstated, and actual cost is understated. Earned value is overstated, both the earned value and the actual cost are overstated. Now friend, what you think? What is the right answer? Right answer is earned value is basically overstated here. So this is the right answer. Now why it is the right answer? Basically, friend, in this scenario the earned value has been overstated while the reported actual cost is okay. Earned value should be the sum of PV, planned value, of all the completed activities. The initial 20% advance should not be part of this. Further, since the buyer is not liable for the inventory cost and only reimburses the cost associated with completed deliverables, the cost of the inventory does not become part of the actual cost until the inventory is consumed during the construction process. The inventory is an asset for the contractor until it is consumed on the project and at the time it becomes a cost of the project. Hope friend it will be a good question. Then next question, question number 5. Each critical part project communication requirement must be carefully analyzed. One good way is to use a communication model to design effective communication. Now, what is the sequence steps in a basic communication model? Encode, decode, transmit, acknowledge, feedback. Encode, transmit, decode, acknowledge, feedback. Decode, encode, transmit, acknowledge, feedback. Encode, transmit, decode, feedback, and acknowledge. Now, what you think the right answer is, friend? Just please think about it. Friend, the answer is option number B. Now, why it is the right answer? Friend, basically encode, transmit, decode, acknowledge, feedback is the right answer as per the, if you check from the project communication model chapter from the PMP 6 edition. Now, question number 6. Recently, a junior team member has challenged the project management approach since not all requirements identified during the collect requirement process were documented in the project scope statement. You are the project manager. What should you do first? Option: remove the junior team member from the team as this is a disciplinary issue. Analyze the objection and determine if the requirements were deliberately dropped during the define scope process. Engage the project sponsor to resolve the issue. Accept your mistake and include the missed requirement. Friend, this is very important question. This will check your knowledge about. So the answer is B. Now, why it is the B? Basically, you must have to first check the things, okay? Analyze the things. All the requirements identified in collect requirement may not be included in the project as the define scope process selects the final project requirements from the requirement documentation developed during the collect requirement process. Analyzing the objection and determining if the requirements were deliberately dropped during the define scope process is the best answer here. Okay, friend. Now, the next question. Next question is project knowledge management is concerned with managing which type of project knowledge? Options are both explicit and tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge, as this can be readily codified. Tacit knowledge, as this is difficult to express. Tacit knowledge, as this involves beliefs, insights, experience, and know-how. Very interesting question, friend, here. So, what do you think the right answer? Right answer is option number A. Now, why it is the right answer? Friend, knowledge is commonly split into explicit knowledge, knowledge that can be readily codified using words, pictures, and numbers, and tacit knowledge that is personal and difficult to express. Knowledge management is concerned with managing both tacit and explicit knowledge. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video.